These are the escalators at Macy's Men's and Furniture Gallery, Town Center at Cobb in Kennesaw, Georgia. And then the other escalators are gonna be right here. But before that, we're gonna take a look at this atrium right there. Wow, look behind the skylight. There's the escalator up sign. This is a Schindler escalator. Whoa, look at yourself in the mirror. Hello. Right over there is a down escalator. Schindler Furniture Clearance Center up on the third floor. And this is a Westinghouse elevator. Look up at the skylight. It's a very gorgeous one. Westinghouse. Before we go down, we're going to take a look at the skylight right here. Once again. Whoa! Very beautiful skylight. Now we're going down to the down escalator. Westinghouse. There's the up escalator. Whoa! A very beautiful skylight. I love it. Whoa. Westinghouse. Schindler. There's another up escalator. Look at yourself in the mirror. Hello. Oh. Schindler. That's it.